Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a full face tutorial, makeup tutorial using dubois products. I'll be showing you step by step how I achieved this look. Please keep watching. First, we are starting with our brows. Please make sure to always follow your actual brows. For the brows, I'll be using Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer to highlight my brows. Before applying any eyeshadow, make sure to apply a lighter concealer so that the eyeshadow can pop out, the color can pop. For the eyeshadow, I'll be choosing 3 shades out of that 6 shades to do my makeup today. For the eyeshadow, blend the color slowly until you achieve that look you are looking for. And by the way guys, the products I'm using in this video, most of them were going for 100 Kenya shillings, $1 in other countries. At this point, I was so obsessed, I even forgot that I was making a video. Please forgive me for that. But all I'm doing on this part is trying to blend the two colors so that I can achieve the look I was looking for. I don't know if you can see what I'm trying to achieve. I had to apply another concealer before applying my shade, so that it can pop. Make sure to blend those colors so that it doesn't look like it's two shades. I want it to look like it's one shade. There should be nothing to show one shade and the other. There should be no space in between. Eyelashes time. Make sure to always have a mirror that you are looking at so that you can be able to fix your eyelashes. It's very simple, by the way. Those are my eyelashes. Then let's go to, I'm trying to apply concealer. Make sure to know where to apply concealer, where to apply your foundation. Don't forget to apply concealer under your eyes. And make sure to blend it nicely so that there are no creases. I usually apply my foundation far end of the face. What do I call it? The edges of the face. tap until you blend it nicely. Make sure to first finish with one part before going to the next part. Don't blend everywhere. Start with one point to the next point. For the spray, I will be using Blueberry Makeup Fix Spray to smooth and moisturize from Kiss Beauty, and it smells so nice. The powder, make sure to blow the excess and apply the right amount. For the waterline, I'll be using this eyeliner to highlight my waterline. Then I'll be using my highlighter to contour my nose. Then I'll be using my lip liner to highlight my lips before applying the gloss. You have watched up to this point, then so much, guys. If you're new, this is the first time stopping by on my channel, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.